comes Emma through the
Rain.
rain. And now she's going to jump in the
Puddle.
puddle. Splash. Splash. Good jumping, Emma. Keep jumping. Can you jump over?
Sit.
She's trying. Good for you. Yes.
Good job, Emma. Come down.
I can step on this.
Good job. Oops, I forgot to get the snowballs out for you. Oh, go do a snowball. Go stand on the snow fort. Good one. Good job. Throw it in. Nice try. Do another one. Yay, you got it in. Keep throwing. Good try. Don't worry about it. Stay on your snow fort. Oh, good balancing. Good job, Emma. It's tricky. It's tricky. Good job.
Yay!